Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Snapchat moment filter on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the social media pass section you can find the Snapchat moment filter option, and just select a template and click the use this template button. New, if you want to add the images to your project, click to the photos option at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can search images, and the upload section you can upload from your gallery. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete this text and you can change. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. In the object section you can find different objects. For example, click to the ice cream and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animations which you can add to your project. And in the music section you can find musics. For example, click to the summer button, and if you want to add the song, just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.